Hello beautiful soul, Deblina here again, and welcome to the day 5 of your Fun Week Meditation Challenge. And today's focus is gratitude, my most favorite. So gratitude is often misunderstood as a positive habit or something that you do only when life feels good, right? But in reality, gratitude is a neuroscientific tool that changes the way that your brain processes life. So when you practice gratitude consciously, your brain shifts its attention from what it is missing to what is working, from scarcity to possibility, from fear to safety. So this is not an emotional imagination. It is a measurable biological change. So when you generate gratitude, your brain releases dopamine and serotonin. These are the same chemicals that are responsible for motivation, calmness, and emotional stability. When you express gratitude, your amygdala, that is a fear center, becomes less active, and your prefrontal cortex, that becomes stronger, and your nervous system moves into a more balanced state. This is why people who practice gratitude regularly feel lighter, feel more helpful, and feel more grounded even when their external circumstances are the same. In the Silva life system, gratitude plays an important role because it opens the subconscious mind to receive better ideas, better solutions, and better outcomes. When you operate from a grateful state, your mind becomes more flexible and more aligned with positive possibilities. Gratitude also has a deep connection with your emotional healing. It helps dissolve patterns of fear, comparison, and self-doubt. It also softens the nervous system, and it also allows you to see yourself and your life with more clarity and compassion. In today's meditation, we will help you to connect with real grounded gratitude, not a forced gratitude. Not that I should be thankful, but genuine moments that already exist in your life. Moments that you may not have noticed, but your heart has experienced. And as we move through this session, the meditation that we have in the next module, you may notice your breath is deepening, your body is relaxing, and your thoughts become softer. This is your mind is shifting the gears into a more better, receptive, peaceful state. And by end of the meditation, you may feel a sense of warmth. You may feel a more inner calmness, or maybe a quiet appreciation for the small things that you often overlooked. So this is a very powerful method, gratitude. It literally changes how you feel inside without changing anything outside. So let's begin the meditation.